Good morning, students. Today we'll start our chapter 4 Word Processor and Introduction. As we write words and sentences in colorful design and patterns in our copy, so in the same manner we can write any text on a computer using keyboard and mouse. There is a software called MS Office Word which is used to write any text on a computer. Word processor, the application software that help us to type any text on a computer is known as word processor. And the process of using word processor to type a message or text is called word processing. There are many word processing software in the market like MS Word, WordPad, WordStar, WordPerfect, MS OneNote and PageMaker. But in this chapter we'll see MS Word 2007. Word processor, its uses. We can use word processor to do many things like making a timetable, making a business report, typing an essay or letter. Word processor features. Let's see some of the feature of word processor software. Words and sentences can be typed, edited and formatted by word processor. We can write any letter, words and sentences. It is used to change the size and style of letters to make them colorful and attractive. We can increase or decrease the size also of the text. This processor enables you to set the margins for your page. We can give space on the top or left or any area of the document. One can use this processor to cut, copy and paste text. The mistakes in spelling and grammar part of the sentence of the text can be checked and corrected by using word processor. We can cut and copy any text and paste it on another place. And the spelling and grammar mistakes can be checked by word processor automatically. Word processor help us to insert various pictures in a document. We can insert any picture by the computer or by the program also. One can print his/her document with word processor. After completing the work, we can take printout of also of the word processor work. MS Office Word. Now we'll see how to open MS Office Word. First of all, we have to click Start button. Then we have to click All Programs. In the All Program list, we see Microsoft Office. In the Microsoft Office folder, we'll get the Microsoft Word 2007. So in this way, we can open the Microsoft Word 2007. After open, the Microsoft Word 2007 will look like this. This is the screen of Word 2007. So there are many elements of the Word 2007 like title bar. It is present at the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the current document and current program. It also contains minimize, maximize and close button. Title bar is the topmost bar of the window and shows the name of the document and program. It has some buttons also in the right side like minimize, maximize or close button. Quick access toolbar. There is a small bar near the office button. It helps us to do many tasks with just one click. Office button. Office button contains various menus to work in MS Word like new button to open a new document, open button, save button, print button like this. Document area. Document area is a large white space to type our text. The white area where we type our text is called the document area. Cursor. Cursor is the mouse. It is show the position where we are typing. When we type any text, so cursor move in front. Ribbon. It contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains different groups. Status bar. Status bar displays the status of the page like page number, number of words, zoom option. Rulers. This keep track of page margin, height and width of the page.